Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back y'all. Welcome back y'all. Welcome back. Okay, today I'm super duper excited to bring to you another project from EENOUR and their double tumbler press, 2-heater tumbler press back there. I'm going to go over all the specs and all the information. Thank you so much, EENOUR. But let me show you what we made today. You guys, look how adorable this is. It is so cute. Okay, I'm going to show you how I made this one for Maddie and this one for myself, and all the specs and everything you need to know about that EENOUR Tumbler Heat Press 2 heaters. Okay, it's a double tumbler heat press. If y'all trying to make double the projects, get double the money, I'm gonna tell you all about it. So let's take a closer look. Come on, let me show you, and let me show you how I made this. Okay guys, so first look how cute this purple is. This is so adorable. This is a double tumbler press and it has 2 different size heaters, and this can work with tumblers, glass, and cups. It's super adorable and it's better than a single tumbler press. Okay, so the diameter for the right heating attachment can go from 2.45 inches to 2.88, and the left can go from 2.65 to 3.2. Okay, so that's really convenient. So any size tumblers, glasses, cups, mugs, etc., you can try to fit inside of here. So that's adorable. The 2-station tumbler mug press has 2 independent power buttons for each of the heaters, and this is great because you can turn them on separately. There are also 2 digital LCD panels, and they precisely control the temperature from 0 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the countdown goes from 0 to 999 separately. They have 2 timer buzzers to remind you when it's finished. Super convenient and super easy for you to use. This can press your sublimation items 100% faster than a single press because it can press 2 at one time. So not only can you achieve a larger scale and efficient production for your tumbler business in a shorter time, but also it gives you even heating and stable performance. Okay, this is very easy to operate and it's great for beginners as well as professionals. So you can put 1 cup in, twist those knobs. So you want to adjust the knobs at the exact same time. That's really huge. Okay, so if you twist the knob to the left 3 times, you have to twist the other knob to the left 3 times. They have to be even, and that's something that I learned as well. So this is super amazing. It can be used for all types of gifts, holidays, birthdays, just all types of things. So I absolutely love this tumbler press. So let's go ahead and look at the items we're going to be pressing today. These are the 2 tumblers we're going to be pressing. The tumbler with the black top is 9.15 inches in width and 9 inches in height. And then the pink one for Maddie is 8.25 inches in width and 6 inches in height. You always want to make sure that you measure every single last item that you're using. Okay, measuring is so important. So as you see here, I'm measuring both of the items, the length and the width, and then these are the images that we're going to be using today. So first thing you want to do is lint roll. So you want to make sure that you're lint rolling your tumblers or cleaning them with alcohol, so any type of lint or debris or anything will be off of there. Okay, now you want to make sure that you're wrapping your tumbler really tight. That is so important because you don't want any air or anything to get inside of your tumblers. So whatever method that you use to make sure that you're wrapping the tumblers tight, use that. And then you want to make sure that you're taping it up. So I'm going to go ahead and just tape these up, and you can just look and see the process that I did to tape the items up. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, so now that they are all taped up really good, I'm going to slide them inside of our double tumbler press, okay? This is super important. You want to make sure that they fit, and then you click it to make sure that they're in there tight. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm pressing these at 345 degrees Fahrenheit at 55 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and flip them. Open up the tumbler press and turn them around for an additional 55 seconds, okay? So as you see, I opened them both. I went ahead, twisted them. I'm making sure that they're clamped tight, and then I'm pressing the green button to start them over again for the additional 55 seconds. This works perfectly for me, okay? So when you get tumbler presses and things, you have to play around with it, see what works, but this works perfect for me. So we're going to go ahead and take this out, and we're going to see how these press. I am super duper excited to see how they turned out. They're really hot, so I'm going to go ahead and place them down so they can cool off a little bit, and then I turned it off. You see that I clicked the two red buttons on the other side. I turned them off, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to let the sublimation ink penetrate inside of the tumblers a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and take it off, and we're going to see how they turned out. I'm super duper excited to see how this works. Okay, so here is the moment of truth. I let it sit for a second, and we are going to unwrap them and see how they turn out. So here we go. Ooh, it looks so pretty. All right. It came out looking beautiful. I'm so happy with it. All right. It looks so pretty. Look at that 3D effect. Okay. All right. Super cute. We did it. I love it. All right. Now let's check out this one and see how it looks. I was a little bit nervous about this top part, how this is actually made. So let's see how it came out. All right. This one turned out pretty too. Okay. And this is cool because let me show you. They turned out so cute. I am so happy with them. And let's put the tops and everything going on. Okay, so this one is for Maddie. And that goes there. And that goes there. And this one is mine. And there you have it. Our Barbie tumblers. And there you have it, our Barbie tumblers. So adorable. Yay! We did it! You guys, look how adorable this turned out. OMG. I absolutely loved it. Super cute, super adorable. And baby, that EENOUR double tumbler press, We got the settings down pat. We got everything down pat. And y'all see what we did with it. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, EENOUR, for providing me with this double 2-heater tumbler press. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys love it too. All of the links will be down in the description. It comes in purple and it comes in green. So make sure you guys check that out. Use those links down in the description. I'm loving it, y'all. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dreamer is a handle. TikTok, Do Dreamer is a handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.